This is the Boya BY M1 mic. So this box has been manufactured in August 2020. So all of the boxes which were manufactured before this had different kind of QR code scanning system. So I have made a detailed video on how to check the originality of this mic, so you can go and check this in the I button. So now let's unbox this video and see what all we have got in this box. So here we are opening this box. You can see this. So this is one adapter, and then here we have some user guide, warranty card, and this is about the quality certificate, the user manual, and this is our Boya BY mic. So now let's keep this all aside for a minute. Now let's see what we have got in this. So here, this is a very nice case, leather case, which will protect your mic. And then this is the mic. You can connect this to your dress, and as you can see, it is very long mic, around 15 to 20 feet wire is provided. And then this is the headphone jack which you can use, and then this is the condenser. So here various options are given: camera, then off smartphones, and this is the QR code, and this Boya marking, and you can also attach this like wherever you want. So this condenser part is very important. In this there is also one cell located, and when you have to use to camera, you should switch this to camera, then your cell will be consumed, and when you are shooting on smartphone, then you have to use it on smartphone mode. And they have also given this strap so that we can manage our cable easily, so cable management becomes really easy. And this is the noise filter, because this is protected from the air, so there are less disturbances. So that's it about this video. If you want to see detailed explanation about how to check the credibility of Boya mic, then you can check the video I have given in the description. So that's it about this Boya mic. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.